Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of High Ride Garage. Paolo here, and today I'm going to show you a very cutting-edge, state-of-the-art, technologically advanced helmet. And this helmet was designed for pure performance on the track, and it was designed by the doctor himself. So what helmet am I talking about? Well, obviously I'm talking about the AGV Project 46 helmet, and here we have it in all its beauty. So this helmet is brand new. It's gonna be part of the free giveaways as long as you subscribe, comment, like and share this video, and we're gonna give this one away for the 10,000 subscribers. So here we have it in his carbon shape, and as you can see, this is the Project 46 helmet, so we can read it here, and this comes with matte carbon. So in my opinion, this is absolutely spectacular helmet, super lightweight, super stable at high speed. It's designed for it, and with plenty of ventilation options. So this is, as I said, brand new. I do not normally have brand new helmets very often. Actually, I only have a few. One is the one that it was put on offer at a free giveaway for the New Year's Eve 2020-2021 episode, and you can go back to the library and watch that episode and see who actually won that helmet. And this one I bought it because it was on offer, and because obviously this is also one of those helmets that it cannot be missed from the collection, especially if you are as nerd as I am when it comes to safety features for helmets. And this one in particular, it was completely designed with all the aero shapes and with all the features that actually Rossi was along the years looking for into the helmet. So we see the very wide view, he called it like a cinema view, and you see here also the very particular type of opening on of the visor, and yeah, all the rest of the graphics is around obviously the Valentino Rossi yellow, and here we can also read all of the little features in terms of weight and in terms of comfort and enhanced vision. So in my opinion, this came out as an extremely good looking helmet, other than obviously extremely safe. And one of you guys, as long as you like, comment, subscribe to the channel and share this video, you get the chance to win it as soon as we pass the 10,000 subscriber. So thank you very much for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.